English!
Don't worry. Even if you don't know English, you can learn from English Talk Together channel.
Hello, and welcome back to Daily Short English Conversation.
Hi, everyone. We're very happy you're here with us today.
Before we begin, we kindly ask everyone to respect our hard work.
Please do not copy or reuse our videos, scripts, or thumbnails without permission.
We truly appreciate all our viewers who support us by watching on our official channel only.
If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and like this video.
Your support helps us make more lessons for you. All right, let's get started. So, Jack, how are you today?
I feel very awake today.
Very awake?
Yes, today feels like a good day.
That's nice to hear. Were you tired yesterday?
Yes, yesterday I was very tired.
What happened?
I didn't sleep well the night before.
But you slept well last night.
Yes, I slept for 8 hours.
8 hours is perfect.
How about you, Emma?
I slept well too. What about your weekend? Did you do anything interesting?
On Saturday, I cleaned my apartment.
That sounds productive.
Productive, yes. Exciting, no.
So cleaning is not fun?
Not really, but my apartment is clean now.
That's a good feeling.
What did you do on Sunday?
I called my family.
That's nice.
We talked for about 1 hour.
That sounds better than cleaning.
Yes, it was relaxing. Are you ready to talk about daily routines?
I'm always ready.
Let's begin with the morning. Jack, what is the very first thing you do in the morning?
The very first thing? I open my eyes.
That's a good start.
Yes, without that, nothing happens.
After you wake up, what do you do?
I look at my phone.
What do you check?
First, I check the time.
Me too.
Sometimes I check the weather.
I do that as well.
Why do you check the weather?
Because I need to know what to wear.
Exactly. A jacket or no jacket?
After checking your phone, do you get up right away?
Not always.
What do you do?
I tell myself it's time to get up.
And does your body listen?
No. My body says 5 more minutes.
That sounds familiar.
Finally, I get out of bed.
And then,
My feet touch the floor.
that's the hardest part.
After that, I stretch my arms and legs.
Stretching is very good in the morning.
Yes, it helps the body wake up.
I stretch next to my bed too.
Really?
Yes, I thought everyone does that. Where do you go first after getting up?
I go to the kitchen.
Not the bathroom?
No, first I drink water.
That's a healthy habit.
I drink a big glass of water.
I should start doing that. After drinking water, do you go to the bathroom?
Yes.
What do you do first?
I turn on the light.
And then?
I look in the mirror.
How does your hair look in the morning?
Very messy.
Mine too.
First, I wash my hands.
Good habit.
Then I brush my teeth.
How long?
About 2 minutes.
That's perfect.
Sometimes I move a little while brushing.
You mean dancing?
Yes, a little.
That makes it fun.
After brushing my teeth, I wash my face.
I do the same.
It makes me feel fresh.
Then I comb my hair.
That takes time sometimes.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Not every day.
I make my bed every morning.
Really?
Yes, it makes the room look clean.
Maybe I should try that.
So today we talked about the start of the day.
Waking up, stretching, drinking water, and getting ready.
But our day is not finished yet.
Not even close.
In part 2, we will continue with getting dressed, breakfast, leaving the house, work and commute.
So make sure to watch Daily Short English Conversation, Part 2.
So, Jack, after you finish in the bathroom, what do you do next?
After that, I get dressed.
Do you choose your clothes quickly?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why not?
Because in the morning, my brain is still sleeping.
I understand that feeling.
I usually wear jeans and a shirt.
Your work clothes are casual.
Yes, comfort is important.
I also wear comfortable clothes.
That makes the day easier.
After getting dressed, it's breakfast time.
Yes, breakfast is very important.
What do you usually eat?
If I have time, I make eggs and toast.
That sounds delicious.
If I don't have time, I eat a banana.
That sounds delicious.
If I don't have time, I eat a banana.
Quick and healthy.
Exactly.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Of course, I must have coffee.
You really love coffee.
Yes, I use my coffee machine every morning.
The smell of coffee is amazing.
It's the best smell in the morning.
Do you sit at the table when you eat breakfast?
Not always.
What do you do?
I usually stand in the kitchen.
And what do you look at?
I look out the window.
What do you see?
Sometimes birds.
That's nice.
Birds look happy in the morning.
After breakfast, do you clean up?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes?
Yes, I leave my cup in the sink.
I clean right away.
You are very tidy.
I like a clean kitchen. Before leaving the house, what do you check?
I check my phone,
Anything else?
my wallet, and my keys.
Keys are very important.
Yes, I lose them sometimes.
That's stressful.
Now I keep them in one place.
That's a good habit. After checking everything, what's next?
I put on my shoes.
Then you leave the house.
Yes, I lock the door and leave.
Do you feel rushed in the morning?
Sometimes, yes.
Morning routines help with that. How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
How long is your commute?
About 20 minutes.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to music.
That's relaxing.
Sometimes I listen to English podcasts.
That's a great way to learn. What do you do when you arrive at work?
I say good morning to my coworkers.
That's polite.
Then I sit at my desk.
And turn on your computer?
Yes,
What is the first thing you do at work?
I check my emails.
Do you get many emails?
Yes, sometimes too many.
That can be stressful.
Then I check my schedule.
Schedules are very important.
Yes, if I don't check, I forget meetings.
Do you make a list for your work?
Yes, I make a to-do list.
What do you write on it?
Tasks, meetings, and calls.
Lists help a lot.
They help me stay organized.
What time do you have lunch?
At 12:30,
What do you eat?
I eat leftovers or a sandwich.
Leftovers are easy.
Yes, they save time.
Do you eat at your desk?
Sometimes.
It's better to take a break.
You're right.
How do you feel after lunch?
A little sleepy.
Me too.
I drink water or stretch.
That helps wake up the body. So in part 2, we talked about getting dressed, breakfast, leaving the house, commute, work, and lunch.
But the day is still not finished.
In part 3, we will talk about after-work life, chores, cooking dinner, relaxing, night routine.
So don't miss Daily Short English Conversation, Part 3.
So, Jack, now work is finished.
Yes, I usually finish work at 5 o'clock.
Sometimes a little later.
Yes, sometimes at 5:30.
How do you feel after work?
A little tired,
That's normal.
but also relaxed because work is done.
What do you do after work?
I go home.
Do you go straight home?
Most days, yes.
Sometimes you go to the gym.
Yes, 2 days a week.
That's a good habit.
That's a good habit.
When you get home, what is the first thing you do?
I change my clothes.
Work clothes off?
Yes, I put on comfortable clothes.
Like what?
Sweatpants and an old t-shirt.
That's the best feeling.
Yes, very comfortable.
Do you do anything before relaxing?
Yes, I check my mail.
Letters and bills?
Mostly bills.
That's not fun.
No, but it's important.
After that, what's next?
I think about dinner.
Do you cook every day?
Almost every day.
Do you go to the supermarket often?
About 2 times a week.
Do you use a shopping list?
Yes, always.
Why?
Because if I don't, I forget things.
Like tomatoes?
Exactly.
What is your favorite dinner to cook?
I like stir fry.
That's easy and healthy.
Yes, I cut vegetables and cook them in a pan.
Do you listen to music while cooking?
Always.
Music makes cooking fun.
Yes, it helps me relax.
What happens after dinner?
Then comes the hard part.
Cleaning?
Yes, washing dishes.
Do you have a dishwasher?
No, I wash everything by hand.
That takes time.
Yes, but a clean kitchen feels good.
After everything is clean, do you relax?
Yes, finally.
How do you relax?
I sit on the sofa.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes.
Not always.
Sometimes I just sit quietly.
Quiet time is important.
Yes, it helps my mind rest.
Do you talk to your family in the evening?
Yes, sometimes I call my parents.
That's nice.
What about you?
I call my sister once a week.
Talking to family feels good.
Let's talk about the night routine.
Okay.
Do you take a shower at night?
Yes, a warm shower.
That helps the body relax.
Exactly.
After the shower?
I put on my pajamas.
Comfortable pajamas?
Very comfortable.
Do you brush your teeth again?
Of course.
That's very important.
Then I prepare for the next day.
How?
I choose my clothes.
That saves time in the morning.
Yes, and I don't rush.
What do you do in bed?
I read a book for a few minutes.
Do you use your phone?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
That's good.
Then I turn off the light.
What time?
Around 10:30.
That's a good bedtime. So today, we talked about the full day.
From morning to night.
We learned how to talk about work, chores, cooking, relaxing, and sleeping.
All in simple English.
Now it's your turn.
Can you describe your day in 5 sentences?
Write it in the comments.
Practice every day.
Small steps make big progress.
Thank you for learning with us.
Have a wonderful day
A wonderful evening.
and a wonderful night.
Goodbye.